Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner and click on For Business. From there, scroll down to the bottom and select Create a Company Page. You'll see a few options. Go ahead and choose Company. This will take you to the setup page. Before you continue, keep in mind that LinkedIn requires you to have at least a few connections in your network. In most cases, even one connection is enough to get started. Now, begin filling out your company details. Enter your company name and create a unique LinkedIn URL for your page. If your preferred URL is already taken, you can tweak it slightly, like adding a number or variation. Next, add your website if you have one. Then choose your industry from the list, select your organization size, and specify the organization type. After that, upload your company logo to make your page look more professional. You'll also need to add a tagline. This is a short description of your business, up to 120 characters. Once everything is filled out, check the verification box and click Create Page. And that's it. Your LinkedIn company page is now live. You can click on View as Member to see how your page appears to the public. That's how simple it is to create a LinkedIn company page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.